hindi ka tunay na Alcantara.
Lydia Timokoykoy, ang pangalan ng tunay ng ina. Kapag hindi mo sinunod lahat ng gusto ko, ikakalat ko sa buong mundo na binili ka lang ni Ma'am Eva sa isang taga-squatter. Don't play games with me. Ano ko rin akong bibigay ka sa akin?
Pwede ba? Bitawan mo ako!
I just don't want to keep secrets from you. Natasha and I are engaged. We're getting married.
The way I see it, third will make a better partner for you.
Kapatid kita, kaibigan, kaya may karapatan ako sabihin sa'yo kung ano gusto ko. Hindi siya ang mahal mo. Si Josh ang mahal mo. Sis, complete attendance dun sa labas. Ikaw na lang hinihintay.
I'll be out in a few seconds.
Nang ganyan ang itsura mo. Sis, pwede ba? Pwede ka pa mag-back out, no? Sa pelikula nga, ang dami-daming tumatakbo palabas ng simbahan. Ikaw, nandito ka pa.
Sige, mauna ka na. Susunod na lang ako.
Children.
Well, actually, Mama and I, we were thinking maybe it would be a nice wedding to have it in a garden. What do you have in mind?
Di pa po namin napag-uusapan yan. Yeah. What's taking her so long?
Oh, well, you know how vain Natasha can get. I'm sure she's getting all dolled up for the occasion.
Wala na, tanong lang.
Oh, dito na si Natasha. Sit down, Iha.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for coming here tonight. I'd like to say something. Walang magaganap na kasal. Anyway, have a pleasant evening.
Natasha?
I'm sorry, did I miss anything?
What's going on?
Well, I'm sure you know how it is among
I'll take her
couples
home. Sorry.
nowadays.
Excuse me.
They go through all these little petty quarrels. I'm sure it's just one of them.